Hi, this is Sarah, and I'll be showing part B for project 2 now. So for part B, um, since I have already shown how I created my geometry mesh, um, I'm not going to be repeating that information since I already showed it in part A. Instead, I'm going to be going straight into the results, a little bit of the solution, and showing my Excel results that I imported. So here in results, um, I'm going to be showing how I created the chart right here. So before I even started messing with the chart, I created two lines using insert, location, and line. And I created two lines, as you can see right here, one for the 35 centimeter and the other for the 75 centimeter. And I just created two lines by creating 2 points. After I created those two lines, I then went to chart viewer and then I clicked the chart icon up here to create a new chart right here. I titled it Velocity Profile. I created two data series, one for the 35 centimeter graph, the other for the 75 centimeter graph. And then I used the location of each line respectively for each one. The x-axis is going to be our velocity here, and the y-axis is going to be the boundary thickness in this case, or y. Everything else looks good, and then I would just click apply, and then this is what I would get over here. To ensure that the lines are smooth, I made sure that when I created each line, I used 100 samples for each, that there would be no sharp cusps. And then I took all the data here, well, actually, I created an X, and I used the X and Y plot to create two different lines in the solution or the setup section. As you can see right here, I just selected these two things and I clicked write to file as well, and then I would just click write, and then I saved it, all that data. I opened it in Notepad, then I just copied and pasted all of it onto my own Excel sheet right here. And I've already neatly formatted it to the way I wanted, and I created a chart out of it. With this chart, I was able to help find the boundary layer thickness. So here, highlighted in green, you can see where I found the max height, and you can see where I found the max height for the 75 centimeter as well. I did it backwards by accident here, but it's the same idea. I just switched the X and Y coordinates, but we can still get the same data even with this chart. So here are my theoretical calculations using the Reynolds number and all the parameters that were given. I was able to calculate the Reynolds number for each one, and then I also calculated the theoretical thickness with that Reynolds number. And you can see the formula right here. I just took that from the project instructions. So I created a chart out of that as well. So here you can see on the left side is the Ansys results and the theoretical results on the right side. So that was pretty much it for part B. Thank you.